Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your gender on Peacock TV account. To change your gender on Peacock, first of all open up a web browser. Inside the URL box, type in peacocktv.com and search. Once you are logged into your Peacock account, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Under Who's Watching, select one of your profile that you want to change your gender on. Click the pencil button right under your profile, and after you open up Edit Your Profile page, scroll down and get to the gender option. Click the drop down right next to gender and select your gender. After you choose a gender that you would like to change to, click the Save button and you will be able to change your gender on Peacock. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.